संघर्ष के जो चलता है वही संसार को बदलता है। जीती है जिसने रातों से जंग, वही सूर्य बनकर चमकता है। सलाम एंड नमस्ते टू वन एंड ऑल। This is your host and host Samiksha Kaushik, and I welcome you all to the 5th episode of SMC's exclusive interview series Dots to Anecdotes. Dots to Anecdotes is an initiative of Team SMC CVS DU, where we will be joining some interesting dots of life to form some lively anecdotes. It will be a lovely opportunity for all of you to watch their mates narrating their experiences of what really goes behind this veil of college life. So, get, set, and go.
As Jane Austen said, and I quote, "There is stubbornness about me that can never bear to be frightened at the will of others. My courage always rises at every attempt to intimidate me." And our guest today seems to believe in this. Keeping in mind that each time a woman stands up for herself, she stands up for all the women around her. So, I would like to call upon one of the most affable, admirable, and ambitious girl of CVS, Miss Divya Chaudhary. Divya is a third-year student of BA Honours English. Divya, we welcome you wholeheartedly.
Thank you so much for such a lovely introduction.
Hello, Divya. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm also good. So, what have you been doing these days?
Very busy with internships, working for Agaz, and preparing for our upcoming exams.
Yeah. Exams are approaching.
Yes.
Okay, that is really great, Divya. So, as we all know that today we will be talking about college life, and we will be gonna feel college vibe through your words. So, be free, be comfortable, and most importantly, be yourself.
Sure.
Okay. So, Divya, my first question for you is, I was going through a form, and आपका form पढ़ने से I got a vibe that we all have a cousin who is an all-rounder and who is the reason जिसकी वजह से हमें हमेशा हमारे parents से सुनना पड़ता है. But in your case, I'm sure that you would be that cousin
Actually,
for others and owing your exceptional achievements. So, how does it feel like to be able to excel in both academics as well as co-curriculars?
I am flattered to tell you honestly, I am not at all that cousin. I am the child who's told in her family, देखो सब कुछ ना कुछ कर रहे हैं. What will you do in life? I am that child. So
I don't think so, yaar.
I tend to multitask more than focus on one arena. So I think that is one reason why I'm not highlighted to an extent other kids are. That is somewhere in disadvantage more than an advantage, I feel.
Being a multitasker is a great job. Varna multitasking is difficult, yaar. You cannot do multitasking. Everyone cannot do multitasking. So it's also an achievement being a multitasker. Parents will get to know soon.
I am glad you understand. I am giving you my mom's number. Please tell the same to her.
Just DM her number. I will tell you.
Sure.
Okay, so but in college या फिर teachers सबने praise तो किया ही होगा, तो how do you feel that you are doing so well in extracurriculars as well as academics?
I mean, it took me a lot of time to accept the fact and believe in myself that I'm doing something that is good.
Yeah.
I am extremely bad when it comes to taking appreciation. I am an overthinker who thinks, अरे आज किसी ने ऐसे अच्छा बोला, but कल मैंने ये भी तो किया था, वो mention नहीं हुआ. So, I mean, I think about that a lot, but I am extremely grateful to have such good professors in CVS. I am not joking. The teachers of the English department are so motivating. They are so friendly. I can talk to any of them at any point of time. And the kind of applause I get for them from their side, or the kind of praise I get from their side, is just something I never could have dreamed of or never received in any form in my life.
Yeah. That I can really understand, because the praise that we got from teachers or some our mentors, that is beyond words. उसको express नहीं कर सकते हम. Or that is all we
Absolutely.
crave for when we do something good.
Absolutely.
So I was going through a poem, Divya, and I got to know that during your second year, you did wonders. From being selected as secretary of Agas or PR head in Creador, right? You were
Yes.
there, na? Yeah.
Yes.
And you
Yes.
also have done various internships up to today's date. When you are the president of Agas also, mark the words, audience, she is the president of Agas. So how well do you think that your entire journey in college turned out to be for you, and how would you describe your journey?
My journey was exceptionally good. I mean, when I entered college, I could not imagine doing so many things in these 3 years. That time, the president of Agas, I used to look at her like a role model. Like, I was like,
Yeah.
oh my God, what is this woman doing? How is she so good at everything? And I used to
It
dream of
was
that stuff.
Ankita at that time, right?
Yes, yes, it was
Yeah.
Ankita, then it was Ritika, and I had just used to look up to
Hmm.
them and I used to feel this is who I want to become. What are they doing? How did they do this? So, I mean, I
Right.
started gradually following their steps, and I realized that it is very important before standing at the helm of one
Hmm.
society or one student cell. I have
Hmm.
enough knowledge of all areas. There is no point in leading when you yourself are not capable. I made sure that within 2 years of my college journey, I explored as many fields as possible, as very new softwares, new technology, experimented with my communication. So, this all happened through these internships. The end aim
Hmm.
was becoming the president.
That
This is
is
a long
wonderful.
journey and it's
Yeah,
going to benefit
it is
you.
a long journey, and before gaining these positions, we go through a long process. But at the
Yes,
end, which is highlighted, is she is the president. So उसके पहले
absolutely.
का process नहीं पता होता है सबको. And as you
Huh.
said, there is no point in leading when you are not capable of. That I really
Yes.
admire when you say this fact, because not everyone is open to their, like, उनमें क्या कमी है या फिर what is the problems they are facing. Not everyone is open to all these, and you said it in forefront. So that is really great. I like it, Divya.
No, I follow this one thing in my life that nobody is perfect. Till date,
Yeah.
when I'm sitting in Agas, my core team, there are a few students that know certain things that I'm not aware of. So I try to sit and
Hmm.
learn with them. This is very important that I keep learning so that I can guide them. After all, college के
Yeah.
बाद भी एक life है. वहाँ भी excel करना है somehow or the other.
हाँ. That is really nice, Divya. So, Divya, you are the president of Agas, and that is the women development cell of our college.
Yes.
So, speaking of it, what do you think about the concept of feminism? And do you think the people have understood it well, or it require more awareness? Like we say, these are generally sensitive topics, and people politicize them, or they, I don't know what angle they keep poking in every concept. So, do you think how people well have understand it? And do you think they know the actual meaning of feminism?
For me, I'll just start by telling you a very basic thing what
Hmm.
feminism actually is. Feminism is a movement which demands that women and all types of genders get the equal opportunities as men. This is very basic. I don't know how people end up to politicize it or use it in wrong
Right.
ways. It is very unfortunate how people are portraying feminism as an attack towards men. This is what it is done these days.
Yeah, exactly. It is
There
not
was
an attack, yeah.
absolutely not an attack. If very basic concept. If you own something that is mine, I'll come to you and ask for it, and I say, "Ye mera hai." This is not
Hmm.
attacking you. I'm just asking what I deserve for. I'm just asking what is mine. That is
Yeah.
feminism. I'm asking you, please give me equal opportunities. Please give me the same wage as men get. How is that so
Exactly.
difficult to understand? But I mean, there are certain people who are acting, who are taking advantage of this movement also. I would not disagree. There are certain women who might be
There are
taking,
there are loopholes.
there are loopholes, they are going to be everywhere, but that does not mean
Yeah.
that we stop working for this movement. And answering the second part of this question, I don't think people are aware about this concept or are understanding women rights or are understanding gender equality in any form at this point of time.
Yeah.
For example, if even you, some families are very modern.
Hmm.
If you go to
Yeah.
your grandparents wearing a short
Hmm.
dress, what will be their first reaction? बच्चे घर के
Of
बाहर ऐसे
course.
नहीं जाना इतनी रात
हाँ, घर में इट्स फाइन, घर तक इट्स फाइन, सब अपने लोग हैं, बट घर के बाहर नहीं.
को. Exactly. Now, what do I do at that point of time? Do I sit with them and I tell them, दादू दादी, देखो मेरा भी हक बनता है. आप मेरे भाई को तो नहीं रोकते. आप मुझे क्यों रोक रहे हो? अगर वो खुद को प्रोटेक्ट कर सकता है तो मैं भी कर सकती हूँ. सिंपल थिंग. इफ
सिंपल.
फैमिलीज में
बट
ही अभी ये चीज चल रही है तो पूरी सोसाइटी संभालना तो इज अ लॉन्ग टर्म विजन.
वेरी मच,
एंड
वेरी मच.
एंड आगाज इज समथिंग विच इज वर्किंग टुवर्ड्स इट. अगर बड़ों को और छोटों को सिखाना चाहते हो तो खुद सीखना जरूरी है. दिस इज व्हाट आई डू थ्रू आउट
बहुत
द
सही.
ईयर इन ऑल द इवेंट्स. सीखना और
That is
सिखाना.
really great. And what role Aghaz is playing in particular to promote all the women rights, or basically in the development of women?
So, very basic. This is a platform for all the students who want to learn or are aware about the concept of gender equality. We strive towards gender equality and empowering each other. Why this is important? I'll tell you a very small anecdote. In my first year, I met a girl in our college who said that her aim was she had to complete her undergraduation and then her parents want her to get married. I said, do you want to get married? She said, is there any other way? Is there any other option? So she was not aware about it. This is what we do. From awareness drives to donation drives, our events are all about speakers, well known, even TEDx speakers coming in and telling us that feminism is important today. You need to voice your opinions. You need to tell the world that I deserve this and I want this. Nobody should consider you inferior. You are not. In order to explain to others, you need to understand yourself. So during our events, I sit in awe of how these speakers come and tell us that you deserve this. You are capable of this. When I understand this, in turn, I tell my team that, you
Yeah.
don't need to back off. You are not less than any other boy or any other man. If you want something, go and ask for it if you think you deserve it. This is not about
That
genders.
that is really important, because if we don't voice out ourselves, no one gonna ever do this. कोई नहीं करेगा हमारे लिए
Yes.
अगर हम खुद नहीं बोलेंगे. This point is very important. Voice out your opinions. यार, why to be afraid of everyone, what they think, what they think? That's all bullshit.
Absolutely. And one more thing that we are doing, women empowerment and development may, there was a time where people had forgotten that there were other genders as well.
Yeah, exactly.
The existence of the LGBTQ community.
Exactly.
It is written in our history. They are there since so many ages, but people tend to neglect them. So while we started working for women empowerment, it was very important that we also work for the development of this community. So Agaz
Exactly.
also, I hope you know, but Agaz also has a queer collective wing.
I know that. In first year, I was a member of Aghaz, but due to some
Yes.
personal commitment, I was not able to continue. But first year में तो हमने एक offline walk भी organize करी थी for queer
Gee.
members, and there were
Yes.
some members too. So that was really great. I remember
Yes.
that those days.
So this whole wing specializes in sensitizing people, creating awareness about the LGBTQ community. There are pride marches. This year,
Yeah, right.
we started with an event for this community. It was named Sanyuk.
Yeah,
People coming in and telling us that this community is important. We need to stop discriminating or treating them unequally. We need to give them the freedom हमें तो फ्रीडम मिल गई है एज वुमेन थोड़ी बहुत. They are still at a very basic level. So this is what we do. A very proud moment that I would like to share. In
Okay.
Agas, as I told you, we work towards gender equality. But at the
Yeah,
same time, community service, I personally feel is very important. And I love
of
doing
course.
community service. So recently, we engaged all our students and curated an awareness drive. So we as a cell realized that nobody from our college went to areas, small areas, and told people about how masks are important, sanitizing is important. So we arranged a drive where we went to a slum area in Pashchim Vihar, taught them
Okay.
everything about masks, sanitation, wearing gloves, social
Hmm.
distancing. We explained them all of this, provided them with masks, sanitizers, and along with the same thing, our motive of women development. We donated sanitary napkins to more than
Hmm.
2,000 women there. That was a
Amazing.
very proud moment for me and my
That
team.
is amazing moment. That is proud moment. I would like to highlight this in this interview because not many people are open to this. And
Yes,
you, the youth, बेसिकली यूथ को अगर वही आपने जैसे बोला था, अगर आपको अपने छोटे अपने बड़ों को चेंज करना है या उनको समझाना है तो पहले खुद समझना पड़ेगा.
खुद समझना पड़ेगा, बिल्कुल.
That is commendable job, Divya. I appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
So I saw what a wonderful job Agaz is doing, and I appreciate Agaz team and Divya a lot for that because as the leader thinks, so the team will follow.
Thank you so much. This will obviously, when my team sees this, they will be motivated and they will feel so happy. Thank you so much for saying that.
Of course, यार अगर कोई काम आप लोग अच्छा कर रहे हैं तो that is what we do. In SMC, we always try to highlight the flair of every CVSM, whether it's from any society, we doesn't matter, and that is doesn't care about that. Okay, which society is doing what. But the thing is, आप लोग जो इंडिविजुअल लेवल पे काम करते हैं ना, वो हमें दिखाना था. जो सोसाइटी में आप लोग सोच के काम करते हैं वो हमें दिखाना था. एंड दैट इज व्हाई वी हैव स्टार्टेड दिस सीरीज टू हैव एन वन ऑन वन इंटरेक्शन.
You made my day. Thank you so much for this opportunity. And यही एक अच्छी बात है CVS की, I feel. Everybody is so open-minded. Everybody motivates you. Everybody acknowledges the efforts.
या
कोई
एंड
in my
व्हेन
college
वी आर
life,
डूइंग
in my college life, मुझे ऐसे
कंटिन्यू.
कोई अनहेल्दी कंपटीशन या जेलसी फैक्टर कभी नहीं लगा. अगर कोई दूसरे सोसाइटी के भी मेंबर्स या यूनियन मेंबर्स, कोर मेंबर्स कोई भी मेरे से मिलते हैं, तो व्हेन आई एक्नॉलेज देयर एफर्ट्स, दे डू द सेम फॉर मी, व्हिच इज एब्सोल्युटली
या
ब्यूटीफुल. एंड आई
it
हैव
is
नॉट हर्ड.
beautiful and necessary too. When we are doing effort, we need some acknowledgement. After all, we are
Absolutely,
humans and we crave for that acknowledgement. And when you get it for doing good, it feels like we are on seventh sky. Though we are
absolutely.
not. Right.
एंड लेट मी टेल यू, ये सब कॉलेजेस में नहीं है इतना. आई नेटवर्क की आई नो दैट अनहेल्दी कंपटीशन इज वेरी प्रिवेलेंट इन आवर जनरेशन,
Yeah.
बट हमारे कॉलेज में नहीं है ये इतना. एंड आई थिंक दैट इज ब्यूटीफुल.
Yeah, that is beautiful. So, Divya, my next question for you will be like, college life is one of the toughest thing to maintain a balance. If we say, like when we come from school में there is a restriction around us and a bounded environment के हाँ ये homework करके लेके जाना है, कल UT है तो आपको वो करना पड़ेगा. ये game का period है तो इसमें खेलना पड़ेगा. But college is not like this. It's about you कि आपको game खेलना है, यहाँ पे class attend करनी है. So
बिल्कुल.
sometimes you feel like you are only enjoying and wasting time. And sometimes you
Yes.
think you are too much busy in those internships, exams, and everything that you have forgotten to enjoy. And
Yes.
both of things bring nothing but some kind of anxiety also.
Yes.
So how would
Absolutely.
you like to share like some tips on how to balance these two things in the college?
I'll tell you very honestly, there was a point in my life, अगर आप ये question मेरे से 6 months पहले पूछते, I would be blank. Because this is how lost I was when the lockdown started. It is very difficult to manage all of these things and understand, you know, there's a life outside of college, and if you want to achieve something, ये सब करना पड़ेगा. But there have been phases, I'll be very honest. There have been
Okay.
2-3 months when I have said कि मैं कुछ नहीं करूंगी, I want to enjoy my life, I'm 20 years old, why am I supposed to do 10 things at this point of time, and I just
Exactly.
leave it. But there have been times जहाँ urgency समझ आती है, कहीं ना कहीं जब आपको इंटरेस्ट आने लगता है ना in the things that you are doing, you start to manage your time yourself. Very first thing that मैं अभी भी try कर रही हूँ to get into a routine, but I've heard and I know it is effective, so I'm going to tell it to you. Very important to sleep 6 to 8 hours
Again.
every day, which is practically impossible for our generation.
Again, yeah, these things.
मैं I'll be honest, मैंने 2 साल में I do not remember one day जब मैं 8 घंटे सोई हूँ. But है important, रोज every day is a new day. I start with trying these things. Drink water, ये तो basic life skills है starting.
Exactly. हम लोग बेसिक चीजें भी नहीं करते.
जरूरी
How
है,
our
you know,
generation is, यार.
एब्सोल्युटली. अगर आज हम बैठ के इंट्रोस्पेक्ट करेंगे ना कि कुछ फिजिकल एक्टिविटी करी दिमाग चलाने के लिए, डिड वी स्लीप ऑन टाइम, सबके आंसर, सब क्वेश्चन के आगे एक नो आएगा बोल्ड में.
Of course. Did we drink that 2-3 liter water? No. Did we eat healthy? No.
No.
Did we wake up on time? No. Did we work out? No.
No.
And then
Not
we
at all.
say हम तो अभी से बूढ़े हो रहे हैं यार, तो होगे ना.
एग्जैक्टली. हमें पता भी है हम वी आर स्टक इन अ लूप, कुछ कर भी नहीं पाते, बट कॉन्शियस एफर्ट्स बहुत जरूरी हैं. Then I love planning and making schedules. So I have a diary. I'm virtual
Oh.
format है, I understand, but I still like to work manually for some things. I have a diary जहाँ पे I make to-do lists and I tick them. Sense of achievement होता है when out of 10 things you're on the ninth
वही
one.
satisfaction जो आती है ना कि
हाँ,
मजा आ गया.
it's like you're treating
कुछ तो है
yourself.
जो हम कर रहे हैं.
हाँ, there are times of the day when I'm saying दिव्या बस 4 और टास्क बचे हैं, दिव्या बस 3, दिव्या बस 2. It's like I'm able to motivate myself with those schedules.
Yeah.
So planning is very important, and basic life skills, drinking water, sleeping on time is very important.
Yeah.
Make sure whatever you're doing, that is a topic of interest. कुछ भी बेमन से नहीं करना चाहिए. हमारी generation is a lot after money. जैसे लोगों को पता लगता है finance is a stream जहाँ people earn a lot.
Corporate is a stream when we get money and everyone is
Yes.
running through it. Running
Yes,
literally.
yes, so exactly. So you go for it if you like it, but if you do not like it, जब आप start कर रहे हो, अगर आप enjoy ही नहीं कर रहे हो and you're pushing yourself 12 hours in a day, you will never excel in that. पैसे लेके भी क्या करोगे? Mental
वही
health
खुशी नहीं आएगी होगी यार.
बिल्कुल भी
That
नहीं
money
होगी.
can't buy happiness वाला formula, it is real यार.
It is लगता
नहीं रहोगी
नहीं
तो फिर क्या पाएगा. अभी नहीं लगता
लगता
है because अभी हमारी खुशियां छोटी छोटी. ड्रेस ले ली, खुश हो गए, and that dress is bought from that money. So we equate
Exactly.
money to happiness. But if we see it a larger picture, a broader picture, then we can clearly see money cannot equate to happiness.
Absolutely. Very important to maintain how many meals you're having in a day. What kind of meals are you having? I would like to state again that I'm following only 50% of the things that I'm telling. But
At least 50 यार, शुरुआत कहीं से तो हो रही है ना.
शुरुआत कहीं से हो रही है.
We will
Exactly.
take next interview when you will say I'm following all of these things and I'm becoming a superhuman.
उसमें I feel बहुत time लग जाएगा. 10-12 साल we will have to wait and to sit on this interview again. But
तो
कहीं ना कहीं
you know, जो हमारे लास्ट गेस्ट था उसने ये बात पॉइंट आउट करी थी कि ये इंटरव्यूज जो हो रहे हैं अभी 10-12 साल बाद हम देखेंगे कि हमने जो बोला था कि हम ये करेंगे क्या हम ये कर पा रहे हैं, एंड दैट विल गिव नॉस्टैल्जिया.
Absolutely.
तो आपके लिए भी ऐसे ही है, 10-12 साल बाद देखना कि जो मैंने बोला था वो हुआ है.
वो हुआ या नहीं. हो सकता है तब कुछ नया भी सीख जाए. There are our knowledge right now is very limited. हो सकता है कुछ नया सीख के अच्छा ही कर ले, but मुझे लगता है I'm being able to do all of these things. One aspect that I'm doing right in my life is planning. I know that
Planning is most important. अगर
चाहे
आप
मैं
ऐसे cluelessly करते रहोगे तो फिर we cannot achieve our goals.
Exactly. चाहे मैं जितना भी
Each
लेट
elephant,
सोऊं,
but little by little.
absolutely. चाहे मैं जितना भी लेट सोऊं, if my core team of Agas, or if any assignment is there and I have to start my work day at 9, I will get up at 8:30 and start my work day at 9. इतना you have to
That
be,
is
you have
true.
to push yourself. It is
Yeah,
difficult, but उठना पड़ता है,
we
करना
have
पड़ता है if you want to
to.
achieve things. So one aspect that I'm completely aware of is planning. बाकी सारे जो मैंने आपको life skills बताए हैं, I'm not the right person to elaborate on these things. But let's meet after 10 years and try this again.
Yeah, we will try this again. Okay, Divya. So, as you said that you are trying a lot, so I would also like to ask you, it's really important to take out some me time. As you say कि अगर 8:30 बजे उठ के काम करना है तो वो करना है, but थोड़ा सा me time भी जरूरी होता है. And how often do you take this me time and how you manage it? And if you are taking a me time, what do you do in those beautiful moments?
Absolutely beautiful moments, which are very less in my life. But I make sure कि दिन में 1 or at least 1 to 1.5 hours I have for myself. Because otherwise I will go insane. The whole day I was sitting in front of a laptop, talking to somebody. इतना ज़्यादा, there is constant engagement. It is tiring. I was an
Yes, it is
introvert earlier.
tiring. और ऑनलाइन मोड में तो इंट्रोवर्ट रियली.
हाँ, there was a time जब मुझे social anxiety थी. I was kind of an introvert and I felt एक बार बात कर ली, प्लीज वापस बात करने मत आना मेरे से. थोड़ा टाइम रुक
And
जाओ.
now Divya is giving an interview. See what you have done to you.
Had to work very hard for this, but चलो शुक्र
Yeah,
है कर लिया.
commendable job Divya, if you say so, because मुझे देख के कहीं से भी नहीं लगा कि आप कभी इंट्रोवर्ट रहे भी होगे.
नहीं, if you would have seen me in the first year, I was that girl जो एक कोने में बैठी होती है. तो मैं कोने से थोड़ा सेंटर पे आने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ.
फ्रेम में आ गए हो, डोंट वरी.
So this 1 or 1.5 hours that I take is I love to dance. I am not a trained dancer, freestyle, बहुत बुरा डांस, but headphones लगा के, if अगर मैं आपको दिन में 1 घंटा, if you don't see me in my house dancing on a bed or just dancing anywhere, I have a balcony, वहां पे I put my headphones on and original idea होता है is to walk. पर मैं जितना मुझे पता लगा मैं डांस कर रही हूँ, जो पूरी कॉलोनी को पता है at this
We have
point
to
of time.
put a camera over there. We will show that in interview what Divya do when she walk.
So this is my me time. My headphones, Punjabi songs on full volume, and me dancing around
Wow.
in a very stupid way.
That is your me time.
Yes, this is how I keep myself sane.
Exactly, this is our me time ना. अगर me time में भी हम वो करेंगे जो लोग बताते हैं करने को, तो फिर me time कैसे हुआ?
सही बात है. And I
That
feel
is
बाकी लोग नहीं बताते, but the people listening to this, please दिलजीत दोसांझ के गाने सुनो. If you're not doing this in your life, तुम me time में कुछ नहीं कर रहे हो.
born to shine.
Exactly. ये motivation नहीं है. My motivational speaker is
We are
Diljit
born to
Dosanjh.
shine. Diljit Dosanjh. So it was great, Divya. You are balancing out everything and achieving so much with all these me times with this Diljit Dosanjh. So that inspires us and seriously a lot.
Thank you so much.
So अब कुछ और मजे की बात करते हैं. बहुत सोच लिया. It's pretty clear that Divya is quite a creative person who is sunk into in her imaginations all the day long. So let her made think even more. And Divya, here is the round of guess the gibberish for you. You have to guess it. Okay.
Oh my God.
There will be few words on your screen. You have to guess what is the correct word for that. Okay.
फेल होने वाली हूँ. Just an announcement.
Okay, so let's start the guess the gibberish. There are few words within your chat box. You have to read them and guess the correct word. Okay, so let's
Okay.
start.
Okay.
All the best.
चलो, first I know it is College of Vocational Studies. Please say I'm right. Please. ठीक है, 1 point.
Okay.
Mirror selfie. यार, why am I so bad at this? Can I guess the second last one पहले?
चलो ठीक है. Second last.
Is it she is boring?
Wrong.
ठीक है. At least मुझे पता है मैं बुरी हूँ इसमें. यार, हद हो गई है. बाकी तो गेस्ट भी नहीं होंगे.
Guess. Try to spell it down. क्या पता मैं आपकी help कर दूँ.
हाँ, third for your information.
Yeah, for
2
your
points.
information.
Achievement. This is my personal highest in this game.
Okay, coming to the second word.
Hmm.
Made or selfie.
सेल्फी याद आ रहा है इससे. मैं बोल नहीं रही हूँ. What is happening?
And you guessed it right. Second word is selfie. First part.
Mirror selfie. Is it mirror selfie?
Yeah.
चलो, as bad as my mirror selfies
3
are, the
points.
same way as my skills to guess this.
You have guessed the first, second, third correctly. Coming to fourth. She is not boring. I'm damn sure.
यार, you say it. जब आप बोल रहे हो फिर मुझे guess हो पा रहा है. You say it in the mirror. This is helping.
ना यार, मुझे आंसर्स पता है इसलिए मैं उसको थोड़ा ऐसे बोल रही हूँ.
इसलिए तो. I got to say it. अरे, you're the host. चलो. Cheeseburger.
Guess it.
Boring से burger पे आ चुकी हूँ मैं. Now you want me to be hungry as well?
Yeah, you are guessing it right.
How? Cheeseburger.
Yay!
चलो. This should have been the first one जो मैं guess करूँ.
Cheeseburger.
चलो.
And the
Chalo,
last you will
last
guess
one.
by yourself. I'm not gonna help.
Oh, अरे यार.
Guess it,
United
yaar.
Kingdom. Is the last word kingdom?
Yep.
यार, half point मिलके खत्म कर सकते हैं kingdom का.
Okay. Let me tell this word.
Yes.
This is
Yes.
United Kingdom. UK.
ये तो मुझे पता होना ही नहीं चाहिए. According to my knowledge, ये मुझे kingdom भी guess नहीं होना चाहिए था.
Thank you, Divya. You have played very well. I won't say it. दिल से बस बोल रही हूँ.
ठीक है यार, host duties you have to. Thank you.
Yeah, host duties. I'm obliged to do that. Okay, Divya. You played well. अगर आंसर नहीं आते थे, but मजा आया. And thank you for this wonderful participation, Divya. So, coming to end, I would like to say, college life after COVID-19, it's all have changed.
Yes.
We still don't know when the old normal will be back, and so are freshers. As we
Yes.
know, our freshers will be collegiate soon, and they don't know
Yes.
anything about college life. So, in the beginning, you face many challenges and quite a lot of difficulties while settling down in the college. As you said, you were an introvert. So,
Yes.
would you like to give some tips like do's and don'ts for the college life, or any basic advice for the freshers?
Sure. So, the foremost advice that I would like to get is sometimes college life, so many new people and professors tend to be very intimidating. And in
Yeah.
an online format where you're not able to meet people and bond with them, it is very difficult to sit in a class and present your opinions. And if
Yeah.
you don't do that, your studies your personality will not develop in a way that it is supposed to develop. So please, however difficult it is, push yourself to start talking even in an online format. Try public speaking, talk to your friends in an online format. Make sure even if you're saying wrong answers in a class, you sit there and say something. अगर एक बार सही दोगे, you will get the confidence. You need to start talking, you need to start engaging. If you sit alone, your mental health will suffer, your confidence will suffer, your personality will not develop. This is काम का advice. The second thing is, please enjoy करो. स्ट्रेस लेना ही नहीं है. कॉलेज लाइफ 3 साल की है, कब खत्म हो जाती है पता ही नहीं लगता.
पता ही नहीं चलता है.
एग्जैक्टली. तो प्लीज एंजॉय करो. अगर कोविड के केसेस लो हो जाते हैं and we're able to go into an offline format, please party as much as possible, explore campuses, go to DU Fest. I hope they happen. I could not see one, but I hope you do. So all the very best for your college journey. I wish you all the luck, and I wish I see all of you in Agaz.
See how diplomatic the presidents are.
We have to be. Come on, this is a part of our work.
Yep, I understand it. So we will see you in SMC too.
ठीक है, both ways, promotion both ways works for me.
So, jokes apart, it was really a beautiful advice, Divya. Thank you for this wholesome message, because academics, personality development उतना ही important है जितना enjoyment important है. So thank you for this beautiful piece of advice. And more importantly, thank you for being here, Divya. I really had a great time talking with you. So it was really pleasurable having you here. I admire you and your journey a lot. And you are the pride of CVS in the real sense. Thank you, Divya.
Thank you so much. It was a pleasure talking to you. I am grateful for this opportunity, and you are doing a wonderful job as a host. Congratulations to you and your team. I hope you
Thank you
get
so
all the
much.
success in this anecdotes, episodes, and everything.
Thank you so much, Divya. Means a lot. And through your support, we are growing, and we will try to show as much hidden stories as we can.
Yes, all the very best.
Thank you, Divya.
तो दिव्या की कहानी तो हम सब ने सुन ली. Don't forget to like, share and comment on it. Till then, stay tuned and stay connected. हम फिर मिलेंगे एक नए एपिसोड में, एक नए गेस्ट और एक नई कहानी के साथ. तब तक के लिए टाटा, सायोनारा एंड अलविदा.